everyone, that's just Penny here, and today I am showing you the new releases over on the main site. So check out the links down below for the printables. Joy of the Lord, this is a pocket. It's a ugly sweater pocket. It has all the little elements and it has some background papers. This is the Joy of the Lord Panda journal papers. Aren't they super cute? So if you like pandas and it's kind of Christmassy and all that fun stuff, so check out the links down below. And here is some scrapbook papers, some Christmas papers, joy papers, winter papers. Here are some pockets. Aren't these cute? This is a Christmas cup, and this is mitten pockets. If you are interested in creating some prayer pockets or pockets for your junk journals, here is a card kit, and there are the card panels that this is the background, sort of say. And then if you want to do a shaker card, there's also the template to do a shaker card. Super cute there. Here is the shape journal. So if you're interested in making some small shape journals for your junk journals, especially for December daily, here are the pages and the cover as well with some elements. Now, some of you had some questions about these black lines on my printables. These are made to be cut away. You need to cut those black lines away. That's just for those who have a Brother Scan and Cut, and that is for you guys to be able to cut these out on the machines. So here is another shape journal. And these are the page templates, and these are already ready. The covers are already ready. You just print, cut, and create. I do have some Christmas cards, some season's greetings cards as well. There are several different designs now that I have ready. They're in the section on the main website under sentiment cards. So this is the season's greetings. You can just print them out like this. They're all ready. You just print them and fold them. You can they have the little a greeting there. It says, "May this season bring you much happiness, health, and blessings into the new year." So this is this is like just a print out. Then you have the elements where that you can actually create. Let me find that one. Create the card. It also has an envelope as well. So I finally got a good envelope template that I like. So you just print, cut, and create. Here is what the printable looks like, and this is what the kit looks like, the Build-A-Kit looks like. Now, on this one, I did not cut away the black lines because I didn't want to. And besides, my machine did cut away some of the black lines and left me some. So, however that you want to do it, that's totally fine. But this is the card. I added some of this tulip glitter dimensional paint. I love that stuff, so I added some of that. But this is you get all the stuff. It's three-dimensional. I used some foam tape back there to pop some stuff up, and then I just stamped Merry Christmas, and then I just stamped Handmade with Love. But the printable itself, you can print out just the blanks. It has the blanks that you can just create on top of, build a card on top of the blanks. So this is one of the Christmas cards with the envelope that matches available. This is another one. I just love this Starry Night, purples and pinks and blues and the gold. I just love this envelope. And here is the three-dimensional kit. As you can see, it's made for you to cut out all the elements. The background page is there. And again, all you do is you just print out this blank card, fold it, and then you can start building your card. It says, "May this Christmas bring you good tidings of great joy to know Christ our Savior was born." So that is the saying inside that one. It's super cute. I love this. You can see the sparkle and baby Jesus. But this is another card kit, and I've made several of these. I absolutely just love these. This is the envelope that I did not glue together yet, but it's the same. It's, the same. I just made several because this is like what one of the backs look like, because of course I'm going to be sending these out. Now, of course, you don't want them too super chunky, or they won't be able to go through the mail. And then here are two more that I've added. This is the winter The winter kits that I did, those will be available soon as well. I love this little girl. I get a lot of my artwork that I don't create myself. I get a lot from Creative Fabrica, so this is one of those. I just absolutely love it. I designed the base of the card myself, and then I added and designed and layered and had all kinds of fun in Photoshop with these season Christmas cards, season greeting cards. But I just add some little stickers. I did add some little birds and just things like that a designer is, supposed to add to. So I'm super excited. So check out, like I said, all the links down below for all that information about Creative Fabrica. And then these are mask containers to hold your masks in. I get these at a thrift shop, and this is what holds my extra ephemera from the kits. I have a bunch of these, so I know that, I'll usually put labels on here to label what kit they're from and things like that. So I have a bunch of these stacked up over here. This is the preview image for all of the season greeting cards. These have a different, I'll show you that kit coming up, but that's a different kit. There's two kits of greeting cards, but this is what I was saying about the blanks, and you can build upon whatever cards you want. So there's that one. Look at this paper. It does have the scrapbook paper with it in case you want to make your own different envelopes and things like that. Now we're getting into the winter kit. It's called Winter Precipitation Winter Release Kit. Whatever. This is the Bible Journaling Devotion. This is a Trifold card, and it is does have the devotion on it for this month. So if you're interested in getting this out, this is talks about how that we use a colander and our cooking and how that represents toward our Christian walk. So check this one out. I love it. It is a Trifold card. Here's what it looks like. I love the red cardinals. Super excited. This is a fake wooden piece, and then it has some Bible journaling example down here as well. So this just has to be put together. The pages are numbered, and this is the front and back, and you just kind of put this here, this there, this is the back, and this is the front. And then I have individual pages that is put in like a little journal inside of the trifold. So those will be more instructions on that coming up. I just wanted to show you the new releases. This is some scrapbook papers for the winter release Precipitation. Look at these. I did the pattern paper myself. These up here, I did the pattern papers. And if you have time, check out Pixel Scrapper or digitalscrapbook.com now, because you get some images free, and I used some to layer in here. So check out that link. Here is the Trifold card that is blank, that you can create your own Trifold card. You can put your own sentiment and things in there as well. I just love this little girl and the little red cardinals. Just love this. So this is a Trifold card. It can be an ephemera keeper. It can be a slimline journal card. There's just tons of possibilities to do with that. Here is the scrapbook papers. Actually, this is also the journal papers. So if you want to create a junk journal or a hybrid journal, prayer journal, or whatever, you have the papers. This is one of the background papers. I absolutely love this. It's a mixed media watermark, watercolor, you just name it. And then I took part of the colander image and put in there as background. So it's super exciting. There's a lot of layers. There's also a traveler's notebook design. Also, all you have to do is just print, cut, create. This is the cover, and it says cover at the top. So there's, you understand that there's a cover. There's no instructions for this quite yet. The written instructions, I will get that out. And then you have the traveler's notebook pages. They're already sized. All you have to do is, of course, cut them out and, do your cover and all that kind of stuff. It's just a wraparound cover like this journal. It's just a wraparound cover. That's all it is. You just fold it in the middle. It's like a traveler's notebook signature. Always turn them into a journal, though. And then there are the papers. Super excited. Snowflakes. Backgrounds. writing paper. There's some, I always try to put in my traveler's notebooks and in my journal papers, I always put a lined paper. Try to. Sometimes I forget. Here is the little embellishments. These are the little wooden ornaments, and I'm going to show you some of the little elements. These are super cute. I put the city and the cups and the colander. Super cute. This one says, you are known, loved, worthy, and chosen. That's what that little thing is. So here are the elements. They are super cute. They're just mini sizes of what I created in the papers. There's some little elements. There's that little bird. Here is one of the faux, I call them faux wooden ornaments, is what these are. There's some labels, cup, colander, bows, all kinds of cute little, it's a little rectangle piece. But these little ornaments are super cute. They're like little wooden discs. And then I've seen a lot of people painting these. So I thought these were super cute. You could print these out and make them Christmas ornaments. They're great for making cards, for a center, for a focal point. And you can absolutely put these together and make a tag for presents or anything like that. And I thought these would be super cute to actually create a three-dimensional ornament for your Christmas trees with these little wooden faux ornaments. I thought they were super cute. There's several different designs of those. I think there's 2 sheets of those. And then there are some that has some quotes. He's got a miracle for you. And then again, you are known, loved, worthy, chosen. And this one says, if the stars were made to worship, so will I. So those are some, then there's some blank ones. So don't worry if you don't like any of those quotes. Don't worry. There are some blank ones that you can stamp, you can emboss, you can use as tags, ornaments for the tree, focal points for cards, or tuck spots for journals. There's just a lot of uses for those. So those are the little elements there, and you can see that how big that they were in my case. So that's this preview image here. And then we get down to Bible journaling. Those of you who do Bible journaling, art journaling, I do have a Bible journaling example, the traceables, and then the margin art. So if you're into Bible journaling, I do have the margin arts and all the elements for you to create your own Bible journaling page based on, well, you could use it for any page, but based on the devotion that I had in there. This is what this is based on. And if you're into pockets, prayer pockets, I do have a pocket. Look at this little, isn't it super cute? I love all these elements. This is the winter release flat pocket with stuffies. And this is my little pocket here. You can put memories or you can do winter release. I did add some little bit of this tulip 3-dimensional glitter paint. Just got it at Walmart over the little berries. And I'm just going to load this pocket up to just put my stuff where I want them. This I'm using as a prayer pocket. I can use this as a tuck or pocket for a journal. And I also can use this as a ornament as well on a tree. You can put you can even put a little greeting, a little card, a little gift card in there if you wanted to. So there's all kinds of possibilities. I just thought it was really cute. It's a good size that you can use for an ornament or a journal or whatever. I didn't put anything on the back. I just printed. I could if I wanted to. Now those who are doing the art journaling Bible with me, the 2.0 margin one. They are available. The print it yourself Bibles are available. So if you're interested in those, I do have the art page, the mask that goes with the devotion. I do have that as well ready for you. So you just cut out this white part and it fits right over your print it yourself journaling Bible. So if you're interested in that mask, I trying to do some more art Bible journaling masks and designs. Here are the strips as well, the margin strips for you. These are 2 inches, so you can really use them in any Bible that's 2 inches, but it basically goes for the art Bible journal, the art journaling Bible that I have designed, and I have designed several of those Bibles, 2 inch, 4 inch, and there's digital Bibles as well. So check out the links down below if you're into digital Bible journaling. Okay, everyone, so that's a lot of kits. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 kits for December. If that should keep you guys busy. So there's 18 kits. Wow, that is a lot of kits, guys. And there's probably going to be a total of equal of 20 kits this month, I would say. So check them all out down below. They are a gift of love from me to you. And some of them will be in the Etsy for the Junk Journal Ministry funding. Some will be on Buy Me a Cup for the Junk Journal Ministry funding as well. So we're going to be sending some cards out, and we're going to be, I'm going to show you a card that I made. It's super cute. Snowmen. Do you like snowman cards? Let me find it here. Just a second. Super cute snowman card. Look at this. If you're into snowmen, check out the main site. I have some snowman coloring pages, journal pages for you over there as well. So I've released the 25 Days of Christmas Countdown kit. It is over there. So there are over 20 kits available for the month of December. So I'm super excited for all these kits. This is just created with some stamps that I had. Just some ordinary rubber stamps over here. So anyway, so check out. There's all kinds of, so there's 20 or more kits for the month of December. And some of these all these are for December. There were some for November and some for, all the other months. So check out the monthly kit, the monthly printable kit this month. It's called Cheerful Christmas, and it has some cute little critters on it as well. So go check those out. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed holidays. If you haven't done so, please check the like button, comment, subscribe, whatever. I don't monetize my videos. I do not. I repeat, I do not. So I can't anyway, but just so you guys know, I haven't done that, nor can I do that. But anyway, so if you just like it, it's just telling me that you like it. That's it. It's just to encourage and inspire me. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys later, and I'm going to be happy crafting with all of my 20+ kits this month. Bye, everyone.